Say good girl. No, good girl. Tell Nanny, good girl.
Say hi, Nanny.
Are you a good girl?
Jessica.
Jessica, good girl? Are you?
Jessica?
Huh?
Say hi, Nanny.
Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Oh,
Don't hang up on Nanny.
oh. You push the buttons, don't do that.
Tell Nanny, sit down.
Down.
No, sit down. Sit down. Tell Nanny, sit down. You gonna put her on your shoulder? Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Oh. Lee pushed you away. He bully.
What's happening, baby doll? Huh?
See, where's Poppy? Gone. Oh, he's gone, is it?
Yeah, in his big truck.
Yeah, gone.
Yeah, it's gone. Puppy's in the big truck. And he keeps looking up like he misses Jessica. Yeah, he does.
There's Nanny. Where you going? There's Twister.
Are you taking me somewhere?
Yeah.
Am I too heavy? Yeah.
There's the kitchen.
Tell me a story.
Can you sing Nanny a song?
Oh,
I love, I love, I love, I love balloons. Where's Mommy? You sing. I love, I love, I love, I love balloons.
Turn it on, baby. Mommy turned it off. I don't know why she turned it off.
Because you don't pay attention to the phone.
sing for Nanny.
She knows how to turn it on.
Yeah? Come on, sing. Tell me the story. Tell me the words.
Okay, hang on. No, hang on, relax. Now maybe turn on TV.
So thank you, Mommy.
My hair. What are you pointing at?
She's turning on the DVD player.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, put it on. Yeah. Going to go to play? Is it about play make noises for you?
Mm-hmm.
Is it pretty good?
Tell Nanny, yes.
What?
It's on.
I don't know. What are you pointing at?
Walt Disney.
Tell Nanny, TV. TV.
Oh.
Can you tell Nanny? TV.
Can you say that? Can you?
Signing up.